Good morning. I am Seema, working as an assistant professor in the Department of BCom CA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi Arts and Science College. Today here I am going to present a topic on organizational psychology. We all know that what is the meaning of psychology, and we know that psychology it is the study of human mind, and what is the importance of studying the nature or studying the behavior of employees in an organization. For that, we are having a detailed study on the organization psychology, and it is known as industrial or organizational psychology or business psychology. And it is a field which focuses on understanding how the human behavior is notified in the workplace, and it applies to psychological principles to improve the employee's performance, job satisfaction, and overall workplace efficiency. By studying factors such as motivation, leadership, and organizational culture, organizational psychologists they help to create business in a better workplace environment and enhance productivity. We have to identify how to improve the employee's performance in an organization. For improving the employee's performance, we need to identify whether the employees are getting satisfaction, complete satisfaction from the job, and whether they are getting overall, what is the overall workplace efficiency of the employees. And also we have to study the about the three topics, three factors such as motivation, leadership, and organizational culture. So motivation plays an important role in the psychology of employees. We have to get motivation at each and every stages in order to have a better performance in the organization. And next one is leadership. Leadership means it is leadership qualities, whether we are getting that leadership qualities, and also the organizational culture, how the culture of the employees affect their in their workplace. So we have to identify these factors for an employees, and we have to identify notifying these factors, we have to identify the employees performance, job satisfaction, and the overall performance of employees in the organization. And next one we have to study about is the disciplines. We all know that the organization psychology is not a subject which is introduced at a time. It is the organization psychology is a subject which is taken from so many other disciplines like psychology, social psychology, sociology, anthropology, etc. So political science, etc. So, psychology. What is psychology? Psychology focuses on individual behavior, contributing concepts like motivation, learning, personality, and job satisfaction. Next one is sociology. Sociology, it examines how people behave in groups and in relation to social cultures, providing insights into group dynamics, organizational culture, and social systems. Next one is about social psychology. Social psychology bridges the gap between psychology and sociology, studying how individuals are influenced by each other and how they interact within the groups to understand topics like communication and group processes. Next one is about anthropology. It provides insights into cultural systems and how values, norms, and cultural differences influence behavior within the organizations. Next one is about political science. It helps to understand power dynamics, conflict resolution, and political strategies within an organizational behavior. So, by studying all these factors thoroughly, that is psychology, sociology, social psychology, anthropology, and political science, our subject psychology, organization psychology, has a very large involvement in all these subjects. And next topic is about the OB challenges. What are the challenges that we are facing in an OB? That is, three types of behaviors are there: individual behavior, group behavior, and organizational structure. This refers to understanding the unique behaviors like motivations, attitudes, and emotions of employees. Individual behavior is influenced by personality, perception, and values which shape how employees respond to organization structures and situations. For instance, understanding an employee's motivation can help managers tailor their leadership style to increase engagement and productivity. Next one is about group behavior. Individuals rarely work in isolation with an organization. Instead, they function within the groups or teams. By studying these group dynamics, how groups form, interact, make decisions, and resolve conflicts helps in creating a harmonious work environment. Next thing is about the organization structure. The way an organization is structured impacts its behavior. whether an organization has a flat or hierarchical structure. It affects the decision-making processes, communication flow, and employee morale. So a well-defined organizational structure with clear roles and responsibilities can improve efficiency and employee satisfaction. So in this slide, we have discussed about the importance of OB and the OB challenges and also the disciplines of OB. Thank you for watching.